In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Freshsales API key. An API key is like a secure identifier that allows an application to communicate with Freshsales. If you are building an integration or connecting a tool, you will need to locate this key inside your Freshsales account settings. I will walk you through the exact places to click, step by step, so you can find the right authentication details quickly and safely. First, log into your Freshsales account. Go to your Freshsales login page, enter your credentials, and sign in. Once you are signed in, you should land on your Freshsales dashboard or the main admin area. This step matters because the API settings are only accessible after you are authenticated in your account. Next, click on your profile icon. Look for your profile image or avatar, usually located in the top corner of the Freshsales interface. The profile icon is your entry point to personal and account-level settings. Clicking it will open a small menu where you can choose the correct options for configuration. After that, select Personal Settings. From the menu that appears after clicking your profile icon, choose the option labeled Personal Settings. This is the area where Freshsales organizes preferences and account controls related to how your account connects to services. Taking this moment to select the correct settings area ensures you do not end up in general settings that may not show the API section you need. Now navigate to the API settings section. Within Personal Settings, scan the page for a section that mentions API or API settings. Depending on your screen size, this area might be visible on the same page or require scrolling a bit. It is important to look specifically for the API settings section because the API key and authentication options are stored there. Once you locate API settings, click on Authentication to see API key. In the API settings area, you will see an authentication option or a related control. Select it to open the view where Freshsales displays the API key details. This is the step where the key becomes accessible, so make sure you are clicking the authentication link rather than any other unrelated menu items. Finally, copy the API key you need. When the API key is shown on the screen, carefully copy it into a secure place for your integration. You may be shown the key directly or provided with a field that you can copy from. Make sure you copy the exact key value that matches what you need for your application. Since API keys are sensitive, avoid sharing them publicly and store them in a secure location where only the right tools and people can access them. At this point, you have completed the process of finding and retrieving your Freshsales API key. If you are setting up an integration right away, you can paste the key into the required configuration field in your app. If you are not ready yet, just keep it safe and return to Freshsales when you need it again. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.